Welcome to TribeTopper, the Algebra Series, and here I have a problem-solving question. If a number is increased by 5 and then trebled, the result is 6 more than 2/3 of the number. Find the number. So we'll say let the number be x. So if the number is x, it is increased by 5. That means x plus 5. And then trebled means you have to multiply this by 3. What is the result? It is 6 more than 2/3 of the original number. So it is equal to 2/3 of the original number, that is 2/3 of x, and 6 more than that, plus 6. So we have formed our equation. Now we'll quickly solve it. We get 3x plus 15 is equal to 2/3 of x, so I have to take 3 as the LCM, so it becomes 2x plus 3 times 6 is 18 upon 3. And now we take 3 to the other side. We get 9x plus 45 is equal to 2x plus 18. Now we solve by putting the like terms together. So 2x goes here and 45 goes here. So we have 9x minus 2x, that is 7x, is equal to 18 minus 45, which gives me, so that's 27, and therefore x is equal to 27 upon 7. So this is our number that we have to solve.